Are you a rideshare driver who needs extra cash? Meet Wallet. We're a cash advance company trusted by over 90,000 drivers. We help drivers who need cash advances for paying insurance, vehicle maintenance repairs, gas money, and any of your business-related endeavors. We have an extremely fast application process, allowing you to have your money in 24 hours. It's fast, no impact on your credit score, and no credit checks. We approve your application based on cash flow from your rideshare business. Join Wallet today and never worry about being strapped for cash again.
All right, so let's move on. Let's talk about Uber and what they're looking at doing. Somebody found some code. They like going through the code and found something that could include a new chore option, which is going to be something similar to TaskRabbit. So if you don't know what TaskRabbit is, basically it's essentially a place where people who need things done and people who are willing to go and do things, whether that's like putting a treadmill together, moving things, whether that is shoveling snow in the winter, or taking down a tree, doing different chores and doing different things. Basically, that's what it is. If you have a task at hand that you need, you could potentially hire somebody who is on TaskRabbit to come in and do that job for you. So this is looking like Uber trying to look at doing something similar with something called Chore, or at least that's what it was found when it came to them going through the code. But what do you think about this, Serge?
Look, man, we're not friends here, but with these companies, but when they do things like this, look, they have the scale, Chris. They have 134 million MAUs, monthly active users, right? Those are the customers. They have 5 million drivers, okay? They have Uber Connect already, which is for packages, Uber Eats for food, right? And then they introduced, advertising now, which is going to grow exponentially on the platform because of the scale that they have. And it just makes sense to me. Unlike Uber Teen, this makes complete sense to me. I mean, if you're on the Uber platform as a driver, you literally don't have to get off that app at all, right? You can do morning rideshare, then deliveries, then food delivery, then rideshare again, delivery, then fix some shit at somebody's house. Look, it all's going to depend, obviously, on the pay. What I want to know is how the F did Bloomberg get a snippet of a code of the Uber's code? I'm like, can I see this snippet of the Uber code when it comes to chat support? Because that part needs to get fixed immediately, and the part with upfront fares, that needs to get fixed also. So,
well, you know what? Here's the thing. I think that they're at the point where they're like, well, we can't really grow too much more, or there's going to be a limited growth opportunity. When it comes to rideshare and food delivery, even like package delivery and that. So they're probably going to be like in the boardroom saying, okay, what could we potentially expand into? What's another service that we could expand into? And somebody probably said, hey, there's these chores in TaskRabbit. Pretty soon we're going to see Pet Walker available. Which oddly enough, I made a parody video on my other channel years ago talking about that Pet Walker and a couple other things. But we could see something like that coming to fruition over the next few years, because again, they're probably looking, well, if we can't really expand more in rideshare or food delivery, where can we go? And this is just what it seems like is the natural course. Then they're probably going to look at rolling out something else. So honestly, I think it's a good idea on paper, but I hope it follows the TaskRabbit approach when it comes to pay, when it comes to the jobs, because I don't want to see something that pops up on my app that says Uber Chore, and then they give me $7.15 to go move a treadmill from the garage upstairs and put it together, because there's no effing way that I would do something like that. So if they're going to be the ones who are going to put the pricing together, I don't think this is going to be a good idea.
I agree on that 100%.
If they allow the driver or the chorer, whatever they're going to call them, if they're going to allow that person to kind of set their rate and kind of work at figuring that out, I think that's going to be a much better approach. So Uber, if you're watching, that first one's free. The next ones you're going to owe me.
Yeah, you're going to owe both of us too. But Uber, this is the deal. What does Dara, Mr. Dara Khosrowshahi say all the time? They want to be the super app, right? super app, bro. Okay, what does that mean? Deliver anything and everything anytime you want. Take you to the airports, take you to work, take you to school now with Uber Teen. Then you have the advertising part going. Now I have Uber Boat in Greece, right? This is like a super app. It's like all in one kind of a thing. And then now this is the natural progression of this. Here it goes. However, it's possible that the tasks could resemble those advertised in TaskRabbit and Angie's List, which we know where they are, which allow users to hire local workers for things like landscaping, moving services, junk removal, home cleaning, and more. Okay, so this is a natural progression. They have the scale, they have the consumer, more revenue to their bottom line. I mean, look, these are all things that companies to squeeze more growth out of their existing consumer base, and that's what they're doing. And it's through the app. Might as well do it. So,
well, not only that, I think for the drivers out there who are driving Uber or Lyft, maybe they try this Uber chore and say, hey, this is actually a pretty good thing. Maybe I'll sign up for TaskRabbit. Maybe I'll sign up for, a couple of these other service apps like that. And then that way it just expands your ability to go out there and make some money. So you can, start the day with a task, or you can, start the day with a catering order, whatever it might be, however you want to do it. There's so many different options now at that point. And the whole thing is, we always say, go where the money is, because you should be at the highest paying job, or, your time is your money, and you got to go where it's going to cost you the most amount of money, or where you're going to get the most amount of money. It's going to
more tools in your toolbox, bro. More tools in your toolbox. That's it. You don't have to use it. You don't have to be mad about it. If they don't pay enough, you go like, okay, screw it, I don't want it, and let's just move on. That's it. I mean, you guys got to take this a little bit lightheartedly. Yeah, I'm loving curry. I'm loving curry, Chris. I love it.
Yeah, curry's good. But Nikki just said, Nikki, we're still waiting though. Are you going to take that?
He or she, he's $5 is the bet.
Oh, well, either way, TaskRabbit is a good gig. Yeah, it is. I mean, you can definitely find, if you enjoy doing certain gigs or anything like that, it's a great app. There's other ones out there.
Nikki, come on, Nikki. You can bet more than that. I want to make some money.
Uber escorts. I did another parody.
I've done a whole bunch of those.
Yeah. I mean, literally for rides, but
all right. Oh no. Oh, you mean that? Oh no. Come on. Let's not go anywhere like that. Let's move on.
All right, thanks for watching. That short little clip was from our live stream, Show Me the Money Club, with Sergio and myself, Tuesdays, 6 p.m. Eastern, 3 p.m. Pacific. Make sure you subscribe, turn on all notifications so you get notified when we go live, as well as all of our awesome content. Make sure to check out this video right here, which will take you to the entire live stream, or check out this video right there. All right, drive smart, everyone.